this video we're going to calculate the gradient of these shapes using this formula here. M stands for gradient, and then we've got vertical distance over horizontal distance. So for this first shape, I'll write out my formula, slightly shorten one, vert over horiz. Now I substitute in my values. So the vertical distance is how much it's gone up or down. So this one's gone up by 10 meters. And the horizontal distance, how much it's gone left or right. And that's 12. So m equals 10 over 12. Put that into your calculator, you get 0.83 recurring. Let's try this second shape. So v equals vert over horiz. Now we need to put your values in. So the vertical is 44 centimeters, and then the horizontal is 34 centimeters. So we put that in there, put that into our calculator, and we get 1.2941. So m equals 1.3.